Shalom Israel, giving no praise to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahshua, Hashem, Kakadash, the bonus to the elders and JMS who taught us his word, truth, and sincerity. Salutation, you all came out there pushing his word, truth, and sincerity, risking your freedom in your life to do so. It's going to be a quick hit concerning, the revenge of Esau, Edom. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, it's got Daniel Tosh is making a joke about slavery, and how brutal it was, and how it's an accomplishment, but he's making a joke about it. But as you can see, it's not nice about this picking cotton. See? And these are Hebrews, children of Israel. They're told to serve Esau, Edom, and the cotton canes and the cotton field and picking all cotton from sun up to sundown. See? Being sold off, women and your children, chains on your neck. Look, see? Judite woman, a black woman. The children. See? Well, you're back with working hard all day and all night with no ease, but apparently, the devil found it funny. See? It's a part of our history. Getting ironed in our back. You look like Abraham Lincoln. And it's supposed to be the wise Jake. He has his bed and stuff. He's probably gonna tweet it to Massa. See, cotton. Babies taken away, being sold to different auctioning blocks to never be seen again. There's our people. Isaiah 47 verse 6. I was wroth for my people. You know what? I'll start at 3. Isaiah 47 and 3. Thy nakedness shall be uncovered, yea, thy shame shall be seen. Talking about Esau, Edom, so-called white man. His shame of his history is being seen. And he's taking shame for it, and not everybody's getting on him about it. I will take vengeance and I will not meet thee as a man. That's when the Lord comes back. He's not going to meet Esau as a man, but an angelic power, a deity. It said, verse 4, As for Adima, the Lord of hosts is his name, the Holy One of Israel, right? The God of Israel. To you Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, he is your God. Um, it said, and the Lord of hosts means the Lord of armies. Hosts mean armies, because that's exactly how the Lord is. He's a man of war. Verse 5, sit thou silent and give thee into darkness, O daughter of Chaldeans, for thou shalt no more be called the lady of kingdom. Daughter of Chaldeans, the modern day daughter of Chaldeans is America. And thou shalt be no more called the lady of kingdoms, meaning you shall lose your hegemony or your throne above all nations. That's being lost. You see? As you could see, they're losing it. They're losing their power structure. Verse 6, I was wroth with my people, I have polluted mine inheritance and given them into thine hand. It's talking about the Lord. If you read Deuteronomy, the 28th chapter, according to what Moses received on Mount Sinai when he led us out of Egypt first time into the wilderness, Lord Yahweh had physically gave Moses the law, statutes, commandments, and if we were to disobey, we would face certain curses. And one of them was to go in slavery, and a whole host of other curses, whether we get our children snatched from us, whether we were put to shame amongst the nations, fleeing from our enemies, sold on auction blocks, and, and being treated as slaves. So I'll read that again, Isaiah 47:6. I was wroth for my people, I have polluted mine inheritance. I have given them into thine hands. Talking about the so-called white man, which is Esau Edom, as a collective. Thou didst show no mercy upon thy ancient, as thou very heavily laid thy yoke. And that's exactly what happened. Um, ancient meaning the old timers. The yoke was held, and he's the Hebrew. See, freedom to the slave. See, even then, this man had to bow down to another man. So that was the Lord being rough with us. You know? Um, Obadiah 1:15. For the day of the Lord is near upon all the heathen, as thou hast done, it shall be done unto thee. Thy reward shall return upon thy own head, and that's exactly what's going to happen. The guys like him and people that look like him, the reward should be exactly what we went through. What they done, it should be done unto them. Revelations 13:9, 13, 9 and 10. If any man hear, if any man have a ear, let him hear. He that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity. He that killeth with the sword must be killed with the sword. Here's the patience and the faith of the saints. And this is what the saints are patiently waiting for. Faithfully and patiently waiting for. Ezekiel 35:5, because thou hast had a perpetual hatred and hast shed the blood of the children of Israel by the force of the sword in the time of their calamity, in the time of their iniquity had an end. Therefore, as I live, saith the Lord, I will prepare thee unto blood, and blood shall pursue thee. So if thou have not hated blood, even blood shall pursue thee. You see, and that's what I make my share most desolate and cut off from it, pass it by out, and him that returneth. And Mount Seir was a place where Esau Edom dwelt, okay, which is modern day so-called white people, okay, or red people. So that was just a little joke about All right, so with that, we're gonna praise the Yahweh Shah. Until next time, shalom.